Okay, so ito yung bibiling kotse ni Sir Eugene. So he went here looking for a Fortuner. Yun ang maganda when you have 400 cars. Nakita niya to. Sabi niya, ano yan, Koda? Sabi ko, nako, this car I actually don't want to sell because it's the first time I ever bought and ever saw actually a 530D. This is a 3.0 M Sport na 530. Grabe, oh. 27,000 mileage. Casa maintained. Ito yung may sunroof. This is very, very rare. Tapos diesel siya. Tignan mo yung likod. Naka-plastic pa. Kasi wala raw umupo sa likod. So this was their bridal car, no? Binili nila nung sobrang maalaga. Kasi, tignan mo, even the handles, they put a cover. So sa lahat. Sobrang maalaga nung first owner. So lahat. Kasi sakit ng BM yan eh. Yung parang naging sticky because of our climate. So, yun yung parang sagot niya doon. Ganda. Start ko nga. One last time. So, let's start it. You know. Sabi ko kay Sir Eugene, Sir Eugene, no pressure. If you really want a Fortuner, you get a Fortuner kasi, to be honest, I like to keep this car, but if you really want to buy it, but he saw it, sabi niya, shit, ang ganda niyan. So you have the paddle shifters, 3.0, this not the 2.0 regular, no? And for its here, yung tech nito, yung aircon nga nito, touchscreen eh, tignan mo. Tignan mo, touchscreen, no? Oh, di ba? The tech of this car, tapos yung 360 camera niya, super high tech. You can choose what angle you want. Pwede ka sa harap, ganyan, auto tayo, balik natin. Yan. It's super high-tech for its year. And sabi nung previous client, hindi daw niya, alam niya, tumataas lang. Sabi ko, no. It actually goes back if you really press it. Sabi niya, wow, I never knew. So nakakatuwa.